Alright, listen up you AI curious folks. DeepSeek AI is the new hotness in the world of artificial intelligence. Think ChatGPT and Google Gemini had a baby that drinks energy drinks 24/7. Yep, that's DeepSeek. It's gaining traction fast, so let me break it down for you before everyone starts pretending they knew about it first. So, if you want to give it a try and impress your friends by having a chatbot that actually knows stuff, sometimes, here's the scoop on how to use it. First things first. Head over to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, because where else would you get your apps? Search for DeepSeek AI Assistant, not Deep Sleep. That's a whole different experience. Once you find it, download it like your life depends on it. Boom! Now you've got DeepSeek AI on your phone. It runs on DeepSeek 6 version 3, which sounds fancy and mysterious, but just know that it's an AI assistant ready to help or confuse you. Visually, it's like ChatGPT and Google Gemini had a UI designer who couldn't decide between the two. Once you open the app, it'll ask you to log in. You can do this with your Google account, Apple ID, or by signing up the old-fashioned way. Because DeepSeek wants to know everything about you. Kidding, or am I? After logging in, you'll land on the chat panel, which looks suspiciously familiar. In the top left corner, you'll see two little lines. Those open up your chat history, so you can relive your past AI conversations like a tech-savvy time traveler. In the top right corner, there's a plus button. Press it, and bam, you're in a new chat. No need to overthink it, just start typing your most random questions. Want to know how many planets are in the solar system? Want DeepSeek to settle the age-old debate of pineapple on pizza? Ask away. It responds fast. Faster than ChatGPT allegedly, but we'll see about that. Still here? Cool. DeepSeek even has a fancier version called DeepThink R1, which is basically the premium mode, like ChatGPT Plus. If you're feeling adventurous, you can enable it, but let's be real, you'll probably just use the free version and hope for the best. Need real-time info? Activate web search mode and DeepSeek will scour the internet for answers. Ask it about stock prices, sports scores, or why cats knock things off tables. But fair warning, this takes longer, like asking your grandma for tech support. Oh, and you can upload files too. Just don't expect DeepSeek to analyze your entire childhood photo album. It's not ready for that level of chaos. At the bottom, you'll find the profile section where you can tweak settings, delete chats, so no one sees your weird late-night questions, or even delete your whole account if you rage quit AI. And that's it. You're now a certified DeepSeek AI user. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It feeds the algorithm gods. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button because trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got coming next. Peace out, AI explorers. See you in the next one.